This entire big area with all these roofs is my hotel. They've got lots of annexes. And here's their aquarium and the water ship. This is where I leave tomorrow. You can actually walk to the cruise terminal, but I don't want to drag that big heavy bag that I've got. I am just going to schmooze around. Have a late lunch or early dinner, and that's going to be it. Oh, it has changed in 27 years. That's for darn sure. Very beautiful earrings. I always end up buying earrings. Why not? Very beautiful crafts. Isn't that great? These are really, really gorgeous.
1954.
Absolutely beautiful things in here. My God. Well, I bought the giraffe. Hello, how are you? Fine, thank you. This place is huge. A person can go into a buyer's frenzy. By a person, I mean someone like me. Create your sandal. How about that? You just keep going. Everything in here is handmade. I could spend the whole day in here. Oh, neat. 27 years ago, I dragged a giraffe home for Joel. He still has it. Cute Cape of Good Dogs, drawings of dogs in their favorite places in Cape Town. V&A Dock is named, of course, for Victoria and Albert. There's a time-out food market here. I've seen them in other places too. Where maybe it was Lisbon or Barcelona. And that is Table Mountain behind us. And let's see how close I could get in to the cable car. Take the cable car up or down. Lots and lots of restaurants. All for sale. This swing bridge was officially opened in 1998. It's like the swing bridge in Curacao. And now we're in the Clock Tower district. One day I'm going to get to Robben Island if I ever get here. You have to book way in advance. First I thought those were more statues. No, they're real. There goes the bridge.
Kijk, voor deze boot is de brug open.
You speak like a yokel. Instead of saying hello, you say, how's it? Soccer cheer, he scores! Laduma! I am going to sit out here and enjoy a glass of wonderful South African wine. It's amazing, the prices. It's like $4 for a glass. I might sit here and drink all afternoon. And these are all the different reds. I don't see my man Pinotage. Here is my $3.97 glass of Sauvignon Blanc and carafe. I pick Ginja for lunch or early dinner. It doesn't make any difference which restaurant you choose. Starters, salt and pepper squid, springbok carpaccio. I've got my eye on the Cape Malay mussels and a coconut broth, charred leek. I have no idea what NDUJ is or rooster cook. That's what I'm going to have. And for desserts, if I make it that far, there's an apple tart with salted caramel, vanilla, gelato, and candy pecans. By the way, 105 of their money is $5 US. I mean, how beautiful is that? I can't believe that I actually hiked to the top of Table Mountain. I was certifiably crazy. What can I tell you? This is the life. Travel, don't sit home. I'm very glad I didn't order anything else yet. This may do it. This is incredibly good. So yes. Yeah, what a place.
Of course, no problem. If you want to know anything about the menu, let me know.